here, folks, and it's time for another Squire. And today I thought I would pick this gorgeous Squire 330, the same as the 220 and the 302. Obviously the 302 only has two levers, and this is the metal format. This is all brass, well, apart from the shackle, the exception being for this 302 does have a brass shackle. So I thought I would do this one as well while I've got my little custom nib in the tension wrench. So there it is, all locked up. And here is a bitting on the key. You'll see that a lot. There are only 12 bittings across all the Squire locks. So again, I'll use this custom ground down tip in the UK Lockpicker's tension tool. This doesn't have a post, so we can go straight in with this. And again, I'm going to use the UK Lockpicker's shorter wire. You don't really need to get too much binding on the pack with these. They go quite easy. So let me get a better angle. There we go. I'll see if I can do it with my fingers out of the way. I'm not used to doing it like this. There's a bit of movement on the tensioner. There we go. We're there. So again, not a lot to them, but they are beautiful locks. Love the character of these old English style padlocks. So that can go in the unlock position into here, and you may notice I've got some stickers at the top here. Big thanks to Roy Salmons for rescuing my recent 220. Also big thanks to Coxie for his restoration work on my lovely 662 now. Big thanks to Terry B. Picking. These two brass 770s, the posted and the unposted, are kindly on loan from him still. And big thanks to the Irish Lockpicker, who sold me a lot of his collection, which is a great start to start adding to, which I have been doing. So yeah, thank you to all of these guys, and thanks to all of you for watching. But before I go, I just want to do another little look at this, because I've managed to get the cover off. I thought it would come off. I didn't want to force it, but there we can see all the little levers and the bolt. So I thought we'd give this a little close-up pick as well. It helps if I lock it first. Let's lock it. Okay. So I lock it up. That's for bitting on the key. So again, short wire, same tools. Let's see if we can image to focus while we pick this. Focus. There we go. So we start from one. Come on, focus. Sorry, folks. Focus. Sorry. There we go. nearly there. There we go. So just felt it twang. And then we'll slide that bolt over. And take that out. And then we have the open. So yeah, again, thank you so much, Roy. That's a beautiful piece of work. You can see so much. Well, you can when the focus works anyway. So that's it from there, folks. A little tribute there to Roy again. Thank you so much for that. I will mention his charity down below in the comments description as well. So please go and check that out. SCT, the Special Children's Trust UK. Please do go and check those out because they do help children what need a little bit more than most over in Uganda. So let's spread the love there, shall we? And yeah, that's it for now, folks. Till next time. I'll see you next week when we'll pick another one of these beautiful Squires. That's it. Bye-bye. Take care.